Ever wondered how Node.js knows what operating system it's running on? That's where the os module comes in. The os module provides operating system-related utility methods and information. It gives you access to functions like os.platform to detect the OS, os.hostname for the machine name, os.cpus to get CPU core details, os.totalmem and os.freemem for memory statistics, and os.homedir for the user's home directory. All of these are built-in methods you can use right after importing the module. What makes this module powerful is that it provides comprehensive system and hardware information including CPU architecture, memory usage, and network interfaces. The best part? It's completely cross-platform. The os module abstracts away operating system differences, so whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, the same code works everywhere. This means you write once and deploy anywhere without worrying about OS-specific quirks. In practice, you might use os.freemem to check available memory before starting a heavy task, or os.platform to run different code paths on Windows versus Unix systems. These real-world scenarios make the os module essential for production applications. Remember, the os module is your bridge to system-level information in Node.js. Master it, and you'll write smarter, more adaptive applications. Keep practicing. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.